Hello my friends, you forgot your BitLocker password, lost your BitLocker recovery key, and are blocked from signing into Windows. It's possible that in addition to this, your keyboard and mouse don't work on the BitLocker lock screen. Then yes, this is indeed a serious problem. I have a D drive on my computer that has important files that I don't want to lose, and today I'll show you how to remove BitLocker encryption from the C drive without losing the data on the D drive. However, keep in mind that this procedure will completely remove Windows and all your personal data from the C drive, and after that you will need a bootable Windows 10 or 11 USB flash drive to install the new Windows on your computer. A link to a tutorial video on how to make a bootable Windows USB flash drive is in the video description. If you agree with this, let's continue the video tutorial. Connect the Windows USB drive to the computer and reboot it. Immediately after the reboot begins, press a certain key on the keyboard to open the boot menu. I press the F12 key, for you it could be EB, F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens, find the installation USB flash drive in the boot menu, press Enter. The installation menu opens. To completely remove BitLocker encryption along with Windows from Drive C, open the command prompt by pressing Shift and F10. The command prompt opens, type Diskpart. Press Enter. This command runs the Diskpart program. Now type list space disk and press Enter. This command shows all the disks connected to your computer or laptop. Here we see that I have two disks connected to my computer, Disk 0 and Disk 1. Disk 2 is a bootable Windows USB flash drive. Disk number 1 is where my files are stored. I know my C drive is 931 GB, so I need to select drive 0. Your Windows disk may have a different number, determine it by its size. If your computer only has one C drive, then all subsequent commands will remain the same. I will type, select, space, disk, space, 0, you may have a different number here, press Enter. This command selects disk 0. Now type, clean. ND press Enter. This clears the C drive of BitLocker encryption along with all the data. To exit the Diskpart program, type, exit, and press Enter. Type the exit command again. Enter. Drive C is completely cleaned and now you can start installing Windows. I'm not changing anything here. Next. Next. In this window you need to confirm your consent. Next. Here you need to enter the activation key. You previously had Windows 10 or 11 installed on your computer, so you do not need to enter the product key, and the new Windows 11 will be activated automatically, according to the Microsoft Digital License. I click, I don't have a product key. If you had Windows Home, choose Windows 11 Home. If you had Windows Pro, choose Windows 11 Pro. This way you will keep your Microsoft license. Since I had Windows Pro on my computer, I choose Windows 11 Pro. Next. Here you need to accept the license terms. In the window that opens, we see all the drives connected to the computer, and we need to install the new Windows on one of them. In my case, the old Windows was on disk 0, and after cleaning the disk, there is now unallocated space there. Your Windows disk may have a different number, determine it by its size. Drive number 1 is where my files are stored, and I mustn't touch it to avoid losing my data. Drive number 2 is the bootable Windows 11 USB flash drive. To install Windows 11 correctly, I'll select my drive 0, which contains unallocated space, and click Next. In this window, agree to the installation terms, and click Install. Do not turn off your computer until the installation is complete. To keep this video from getting too long, I won't be showing the full Windows 11 installation process here. If you want to see the complete walkthrough, check the link in the video description. Yes, the installation of Windows 11 has finished successfully, so now let's verify whether the automatic activation worked. And yes, My new Windows 11 is fully activated using my digital license. Now let's take a look at my data on Drive D. Everything on Drive D is perfectly fine, and as you can see, after removing BitLocker and installing Windows 11, all my files stayed intact and unchanged. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone else. Leave me a comment, I answer every question and always try to help. Good luck.